get it by now. Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that golden rule?
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Shanese. If you are new here, please make sure that you hit that little subscribe button. If you like to see LOC videos, content creator videos, entrepreneur videos, you know, all that fun stuff, subscribe to your girl. But I wanted to come talk to you guys about this look. Really cute updo style that you can just kind of like throw in your hair and keep it moving. I was actually inspired by Vanessa's Sha'ni. She used to do a lot of different braid out hairstyles, and I was like, you know what, I never did a braid style before, so I was like, let me try it, see if I like it. But if you're interested, then keep watching. Okay guys, okay, so I am gonna take this off. Don't be talking about me. Don't be talking about me. So I'm gonna take this off. This is what my hair looked like. I decided to plait my hair. I was kind of like iffy about it because like I was like, either my hair's too big and it's not gonna fit, or yeah, either my hair's too big and it's just not gonna fit in a ponytail. But I was able to plait at least 4 locks at a time in each braid, which allowed me enough room to go ahead and, you know, put it back in a ponytail, I think. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna use this Line Lock growth oil here, and I'm gonna use this in my scalp. Scalp needs to be moisturized, y'all. It's super duper dry. Dang, it's super duper dry, and I'm hoping I don't get this oil on my shirt. I probably shouldn't have put this shirt on. Yeah, so I'm just gonna oil my scalp because it needs it, and this oil smells super good, so I like that. Honestly, like when I have my hair styled like this, I don't like to leave my hair plaited or twisted for a really long time. The most I go is like a week when I have 2 stir and twist, because it's only 2 locks into one. I usually like to keep it like in for like 2 weeks because it's not as much stress or weight on my locks. Like this is not heavy, but over time, you know, you don't want your hair to be pulling as it's growing out, etc. So I will probably most likely be taking this out by tomorrow. But yeah, so I also wanted to come talk to you guys about a few things just to see what you think. So I'm going to be doing a lot of things different on my channel. I like to teach, you know, that's just my personality. I love to teach different tips to you guys. So I'm going to be teaching, you know, how to become a YouTuber. If you're interested in opening up a business, I'm going to be sharing different ideas about that too that can help you guys. Again, I'm all about helping. Nothing's a secret over here, so I want to help as much as I can. Okay, so something that you're going to need to do your edges with, I like to use what I already retwist my hair with. You guys know I use the Pure Loc gel, so this is what I'm using to twist my hair. And then you need the extra thick bands. You don't want to use like the small ponytail holders, like, you know, I'm talking about the really tiny ones, because your hair will break, it will fall, your lock will break off. So if you want to eliminate stress, try to get the big ones because they stretch pretty big. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm going to let me do my edges. Take a little bit of product, and usually you want to lay your edges before you put your makeup on. I don't know why. I probably should have did that, because now I feel like I'm gonna have brown edges. So we're going to try to go around that as much as we can, or not touch the makeup part, because that is not cute. Up too late. That's alright, I can't prepare it. I have what's this called? A rag. So that way I can get everything. Yeah, I like to do my edges here and there because I feel like it just gives the look like, you know, like you just really did something even though you didn't really do anything. So that's why I like to do my edges. I think it just gives it a nice touch. Now hopefully it doesn't like look white, because I am like, looks like I'm taking some of my makeup with me, and I don't want to do that. So whenever that happens, I just take a rag and I just kind of wipe off that excess. Yeah, see? You see the makeup that's on there? That is not cute. Y'all probably didn't want to see that, but whatever, we living our best lives over here. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is to I like to start in the back, only because I don't want like the back of my hair to be too tight, especially like on the nape area. My nape area is so sensitive, and like any little thing, it will just break off, and don't nobody got time to be bald in the nape. So I'm going to take this big extra large scrunchie, and I'm going to use this. So I like to keep at least this much out on the sides here. So I'll keep this in the front, and then I'm gonna do the same, which is about these three. And then everything else, I'm going to start forming my little pony in the back. But also you wanna make sure that you're not grabbing too much hair and that it's not gonna be too tight. So, okay, so now that you have the back part and the ponytail, I'm going to go ahead and just add these pieces. So now the goal is to have the front to lay flat. So you want to grab at least 2 at a time before adding it in. So I'm going to add this section mainly towards the back side of the bun. I'm adding this section here, and I'm going to add it up underneath here. I don't like to actually use the bobby pins, only because it's easier for you to just kind of tuck it, and then you have more flexibility to like pull if something's loose, so that way it's not irritating you. Okay guys, since I have it in a ponytail, I'm going to go ahead and put anything that's sticking out, just kind of tuck it into the braid or tuck it somewhere wherever I can tuck it. I really can't see in the back of my head, but you guys can see it. If it's cute enough for you, go ahead and rock the look, but I like it from the front. Whatever happens in the back doesn't matter. That's all I'm saying. So let me show you guys the back as I do it. Again, I can't see what I'm doing, so here we go. Okay guys, so this is the front. I like it because it's super simple. Now if you wanted it to be a little bit, as you can see, it's kind of like droopy on this side, it droops down. If you want it to be a little bit tighter, you can go ahead and add another ponytail holder to kind of put everything together and make everything tight. But I honestly, the less the better, you know what I mean? You don't have that much tension on your locks. You don't have to worry about your locks breaking eventually. You know, sometimes you can't really see it in the beginning, but over time, like you'll notice that you have like a certain area in your lock that is thinning out, and you're trying to figure out why. That would be the reason. So yeah, so I think this is super cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure that you comment, rate, and subscribe for more weekly videos. But you guys know what I always say, deuces. Your scrunchie. If my elbows is ashy, I'm so sorry though. Let me move the camera up for you guys. Okay, we're really close and personal, right? So, can you see my bra strap? Okay, I had to start over.
Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly.